Florida Civic Literacy Exam amendments. Welcome to the quiz. The concept of eminent domain allows the government to take private property. What is required by the Fifth Amendment for this action to be constitutional? Is it A, public vote and approval? Or B, just compensation? C, a warrant signed by a judge? Or D, approval from the state legislature? The answer is B. The Fifth Amendment's takings clause requires that private property not be taken for public use without just compensation, fair market value. Option A, vote, is not required. Option C, warrant, is searches. Option D, state approval, is not constitutional mandate. Next question. The Supreme Court's decision in Tinker v. Des Moines, 1969, established that students do not shed their constitutional rights to freedom of speech or expression at the schoolhouse gate. What activity was protected in this case? Is it A, publishing an underground newspaper? Or B, wearing black armbands to protest a war? C, burning a draft card? Or D, leading a student prayer? The answer is B. Students wearing black armbands to protest the Vietnam War was protected symbolic speech under the First Amendment unless it substantially disrupts school. Option A, underground papers, may be different. Option C, draft card burning, was separate case. Option D, prayer, is not protected. Next question. In McCulloch v. Maryland, 1819, the state of Maryland attempted to tax the federal bank. Chief Justice Marshall ruled that states cannot tax federal institutions based on which constitutional principle? Is it A, separation of powers? Or B, the supremacy clause? C, popular sovereignty? Or D, eminent domain? The answer is B. The supremacy clause, Article 6, makes federal law supreme over state law, so Maryland could not tax the Second Bank of the United States, a federal instrumentality, as the power to tax involves the power to destroy. Option A, separation, is branches. Option C, sovereignty, is people. Option D, eminent domain, is property taking. Next question. Alexander Hamilton, James Madison, and John Jay wrote a series of essays to persuade the public to support the new Constitution. What is the collective name for these 85 essays? Is it A, the Anti-Federalist Papers? Or B, the Federalist Papers? C, the Articles of Confederation? Or D, the Virginia Plan? The answer is B. The Federalist Papers are 85 essays written under the pseudonym Publius by Hamilton, Madison, and Jay to explain and defend the proposed Constitution during ratification debates in New York. Option A, Anti-Federalist Papers, opposed it. Option C, Articles were the first government. Option D, Virginia Plan, was a proposal at the convention. Next question. Which Supreme Court case firmly established the principle that the Supreme Court has the final authority to declare an act of Congress unconstitutional? Is it A, McCulloch v. Maryland? Or B, Marbury v. Madison? C, Gibbons v. Ogden? Or D, Fletcher v. Peck? The answer is B. In Marbury v. Madison, 1803, Chief Justice John Marshall established judicial review, ruling that the Supreme Court can declare acts of Congress unconstitutional, giving the judiciary the power to check the legislative branch. Option A, McCulloch upheld federal bank. Option C, Gibbons affirmed federal commerce power. Option D, Fletcher protected contracts. Next question. Which founding document, adopted in 1777 but not ratified until 1781, created a firm league of friendship among the states but failed to provide for a strong central executive or the power to tax? Is it A, the Declaration of Independence? Or B, the Articles of Confederation? C, the Treaty of Paris? Or D, the Northwest Ordinance? The answer is B. The Articles of Confederation created a weak central government with no executive, no power to tax, and required unanimous state consent for amendments. Option A, declaration was independence. Option C, treaty ended revolution. Option D, Northwest was territory governance. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell us how many you scored out of 6 in the comments, and let me know what topic I should post next. Bye.